Alrighty, y'all, Aaron here, your jack of all trades for 30 minutes a day. Week 2 is in the bag, and now we move on to week 3. So, this week what we're going to do is we're going to complete the entire right section of our closet system. We're going to demolish the old closet. We're going to begin construction on the left piece of our closet, which is another simple piece. And once we are done with those, hopefully by the end of this week, we'll be done with those and we'll actually get to begin painting them as well. And again, all we're going to do is we're going to just do a flat white to match what's existing in there. We'll see if we can get this completely done, get 2, maybe 3 coats put on it, depending on how much paint this wood sucks up. And then we will see if we can move on to putting the lighting in as well. And we're going to do this all in 30 minutes a day. So let's see what we got done. Alrighty, y'all. Now I've gone ahead and clamped these up so you can see what we've done. This is going to be what our completed closet system looks like. So this week what we did was we demolished our closet. We came along and we channeled these out deeper, or wider actually, with a chisel so this hardboard would go in easier. Now because of the problems we had, we frayed it, so we ended up having to cut this back a little bit. Again, no one's going to be the wiser. We added our bracers, added our mounts for our pole, added our pole there and there, added our wood putty to fill in our gaps here and here. Then we built our left section here. As you can see, when we cut for our hardboard, we cut it to the width of the kerf of the blade, and we moved it another 1/8 of an inch to allow for a wider channel for this to go in. You could see in the video, this one slid in super easy. We added our bracer here. We added our mount here and our pole. And then we added our mount for the wall. This is a French cleat system. So we took this sheet of plywood, which we had scrap, cut it at a 45. The piece that matches this is on the back of this piece right here, on the back side. This is going to go on the wall, and then the other piece is going to slide on top of this. What that's going to allow is in the future we decide we move out of the house or whatever, we want to take this with us. It comes right off the wall. So this next week, what we're going to do, we're going to continue sanding, I'm sorry. Then we're going to paint these a flat white, and then we're going to add our lighting. We're just going to use under cabinet lighting here, and that's going to be it. So Jacks and Jills, if you liked the video, please subscribe, leave a comment, hit that like button. Don't forget to turn on notifications. And Jacks and Jills, we will see you for 30 minutes a day next week.